Hello everyone, you're welcome back to the channel, and this video is going to be an unboxing video. I got this microwave oven, this smart inverter microwave oven, and the brand name is LG. Guys, I want to do the unboxing with you, so we are going to find out what it looks like inside. I ordered this from Jumia and it was pay on delivery, so they just delivered it some days back, but I've not had the time to do the unboxing. But guys, let's open it up and then see what we have inside. I'll use my small knife to open it. Nice, this is it. This is very big. Let me call someone to help me bring this out. This is so big and heavy, really heavy. This microwave oven is a smart microwave oven, as is boldly written here, smart inverter microwave oven. This is a smart inverter. It has LED lamp, touch control. This is to be expected because it's smart, so meaning you can just click on it and it will work. It doesn't work with buttons. Then this is stable turnover. I guess this means what you have inside the microwave, the way it turns, the way it moves around inside the microwave. They also said antibacterial easy clean coating. That is nice, but I'm going to find out after trying it out. So guys, look at what we have here. Look at this beauty. It comes in black color, and I think this black color is both beautiful and unique. So let me open this up. Then I'll take this out. Okay, this is glued. They sellotape this. This is glued to this other one. So let me just bring it down. This is the user manual. So this is the user manual. You got instruction. You got menu instruction. Keep warm. How to use timed cooking. Manual cooking. Okay. Child lock. I think this will be helpful. Caution. So there are a lot of things inside the manual. Popular menu instructions. Guys, can you see that? Popular menu and then popular menu instructions. This manual is going to be helpful. So I'll keep this safely. And then, okay, this is the warranty card. Let me see. Warranty period. Okay, this comes with a 2-year warranty. Can you see that, guys? I think it's nice. I'll use my small knife to separate this. And this is what we have here. I just have to take this out. And then I'll place this on top and set it onto balance properly. So this is it. There are also instructions written on here on how to use the microwave oven. I'm done with the setup, as you can see, and it's time for us to check if this actually works. So let's find out together. I'll plug this in and then turn on the switch. So guys, you can see that it actually came on. So we're on the right path. Let me put something inside and see how hot it gets. I'll be back. I want to microwave spaghetti, and I'm using this plate that is microwave friendly. On the body of the microwave is written directions, so I'll follow the directions on how to microwave spaghetti. For spaghetti, the instruction is 2 to 3. So I'll start by clicking stop, and then I'll click on popular menu because it's under popular menu. So it said 2 to 3, 2, and then 1, 2, 3, and starts. Guys, it's working. It's really working. I noticed that after I clicked on start, the exact minutes that the spaghetti will be ready appeared on the screen, which was 12 minutes. It's currently 7:40, which means the spaghetti has been inside the microwave for about 4 minutes, and I don't want the spaghetti to shrink. Bring it out to see. I bought this for 107,700 excluding shipping price. Wow, so guys, this is it. Guys, this is perfect. It's so hot. Wow, it is really nice. If I'd left it to complete running, I guess to shrink the spaghetti a bit, but I don't want it to shrink. So this is the one I was using before I got this, and this is Hisense product. This is also very good and it's still working. The only reason why I got this one is because it is inverter friendly. Electricity is not stable and power can go off at any moment while using the microwave. This is where inverter comes in. That's the only reason I got this one. This one works just fine, and this is more portable. This is too big. This is 20 liters and this is 25 liters. And then you want to open this one, you just click here and comes open. So guys, this is it for this unboxing video. We've come to the end of this unboxing. If you've used this LG microwave oven, you're currently using it, or you know someone that have used it, guys, please drop your reviews in the comments section. I'm so excited to start using this, but I would love to know your experiences with using this. I would like to know how long you've been using it for, and does it really serve you? Just leave me your comments in the comment section. We've come to the end of this video and I hope you enjoyed watching. Please don't forget to like, share, leave me comments in the comment section and subscribe to the channel if you're yet to do so. Thank you all for stopping by and I would love to see you all in my next one. Bye.